Let's go.
Hi guys, I am running through the Kipper box spread with no significators. The box spread in any system is super effective when you do not choose a significator. The reason for that is because you are then allowing all cards to fall as they should. Even your significators for the question that has been asked then can show you in the spread where they fall, and if they don't fall, it is also a message to the reader. If we take, for example, a work-based read for the month ahead, we can see that some particular work or good work cards arise. For example, our 27 on Hub for Money, our number 11 win lots, number 3 our contract card. So there are some cards that show up, but work does not show up. The main character does not show up. So we look to the cards for an indication of which way we are reading. And with dishonesty falling in the middle, you already have a cause and effect. So you have the cause, or you have the hidden issue, followed by the what is affected, or what is wrong and what is affected. The fatality follows suit with the cause and the effect being those two sides. And then we see that we have actually 3 connectors. There's only 4 connectors in a Kipper deck, and we have 3 that have presented themselves. This shows us an ongoing situation. The connectors then take us both out the same side. So we can see immediately that we are reading from here through to the future. All future cards, but this is nearest future out to the end of the month that we have set. So you have taken your cues from the cards presented. Why have I not mentioned Good Gent? Well, Good Gent is a business card, of course. He brings in good business acumen too. But he is not the querent. Good Gent will never be the querent. He is somebody in the querent's life. So only if the MCs come out would I consider reading in a different direction, or a significator card for that particular theme. So we look at these, we can see the nearest future being everything is great because we have super positive cards. But then something turns wrong and there's a down patch with our fatality that's stopped. Everything stops. There are still meetings going on, but some major part of the work stopped. The incoming work stopped because our unhope for money is an incoming card. So the incoming work is there. It stops, although there are still meetings about it, and then it goes on into the future with the tasks taking the querent then into the future with our new contracts, because state of marriage and our win lots beneath are a super contractual basis. So let's have a look at one more using no significator, but a relationship read. So in this relationship read, again, we have no main character that presents itself. So we do not take that as a directional cue. We see that the cause of sad news is here. We also see that there is a connector. We have a long way taking us up to the connector. So the cards would be laid as presented. The center card is work. In a relationship, it means that there will be a lot of work needed on this relationship. It is a long-term process. So this is something that is taking them long-term. We can suggest then that we have a future at this side, because we do have our long-term taking us out, and also the cause and effect of sad news. The cause is the whole great water taking us into the unknown. We don't know what is affected by the sad news. The romance card here too has its cue up here, which we also don't know. So we don't know where this working long process will lead the querent to. So on a relationship basis, we don't know where this is going quite yet, unless we laid future cards or we laid the movement cards as we can in Kipper. But please have your intention set to do that beforehand. If we do take this as the future, then we have our little number 12 here. And she is sat with military person above her head and recognition. This can actually be a sign with military person sat over a female or a male card that their sexuality is questioned. Military person can show a different sexuality than what the reader is thinking, or a different sexuality than what is shown in the cards. The recognition here above that shows us also that bearing down on her, that she is realizing this slowly. Hope Great Water right close to number 12 is a wonderful "this is where I want to be" card. It is causing difficulties, so we could actually say that the distance between the two is causing there to be sad news. So what we can take from this is the MC1 or MC2 are not present. If this was a read for a female MC2, then I would suggest that she has feelings for a female friend, and that there is a distance between the two of them that is causing her a little bit of anxiety, or it's creating a difficult situation for her, and that she is then working on that process. If this were for an MC1, I would suggest that the girl that he has in his eye is the girl that he wants to be with, but it is not the perfect situation with military person bearing down on her. Nonetheless, he and she will be working on the relationship and seeing where it goes forward. So again, it depends who you're reading for. It depends male, female, depends on their relationship, obviously. But as you see, we have seen which way the cards are leaning to before we've started to read. So we have looked at the movements to understand which way is future, well, it's all future, but which way is the furthest future. I hope that made some sense. I hope you have fun with your Kipper. Tag me in online and have a wonderful day. From me, the Card Geek, I will see you on the next one.